Welcome. This is the planner spread for March 16th through the 22nd. Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to do a voiceover of the things that I've done this week with each one of my subjects, which is home, work, inspired designs with Jae, WhimsiDaisi, and EmPresse. I'm going to start with home. I have zones for cleaning, which is living room, dining room, kitchen, and master bath, office, and master bedroom, and the main bathroom. And this week I only got to 3 of the zones, which was the living room, dining room, and kitchen. And doing it by these zones kind of helped me stay on task with cleaning this week. I also put down any appointments that I need, and earlier this week I went to a LASIK Plus to see if I was a candidate for LASIK surgery, because I'm so over contacts right now. It was, but it's so expensive. It's still expensive for me, so we'll see what happens. During work, I had a few appointments that I went to. I had an interview. I got a new job, doing the same thing as an administrator for a church, and that starts on the 31st of March. So I was happy about that. There were no other work related things that I did. With Inspired Designs with Jae, I'm trying to do a video daily, but it is hard for me to stay on task. But I'm going to try to get better at that, and with editing and uploading videos. I have a lot of videos filmed, it's just getting them edited and uploaded, which seems to be the issue for me. And with WhimsiDaisi, I'm trying to stay on top of the planner spreads, so to give you guys some inspiration and talk about things that I have going on in my businesses. The planner covers are still in the works, so please bear with me and stay tuned for those that are coming up. And with EmPresse, which is my hair care line, I got some shipments coming out, going out to customers, and some marketing materials that I need to ship out as well. That's kind of how my week went, and I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. It helps me out greatly as I grow my channel. I appreciate you so much, so please be productive and make it happen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.